Recording. We are recording. There's my boy Turbo. There's the Pulse system. There are 3 microphones set up as usual. Double mil spec left, right. Shooter's ear. I have the Zev sent me their pistol. How sweet is that? Thank you, Dave Roberts. And then my boy Bobby over at CGS sent the 2 9mm cans, the Kraken K. I have some Hush ammo, some Federal 115. We're gonna do 5 shots of each. I have done nothing to this pistol. It's out of the box stock, so it will not cycle subs right now. So I'll load those single, but I'm gonna do 5 of the Federal, 5 of the subs. We will start with the Kraken, and we're gonna call out. Turbo's gonna call out shooter's ear numbers, right, Turbo?
Yep.
So the microphone is right off my right ear here. There's my center line. Ready?
Ready. 143.
143, shooter's ear. Here we go, second shot.
142.
142.
140. 139. 139.
So that's about 140 average off the top of my head, which for a little K-can and Federal 115 is pretty good. I know it's not going to cycle these Hushes without changing the recoil spring, so I'll just single load them. You ready over there?
Ready.
First shot, Hush. Sounds good. Shooter's ear number?
134. Ready.
134. Ready?
Yep. 134.
134. Here we go.
That one, you're yelling, set it off.
What happened?
You yelled and set it off. It wasn't ready.
That one don't count, sorry. You ready?
Ready. 135.
You ready?
Ready. 135.
Was that 5 or so?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that was 5. I'm gonna go straight to the full size. All right, back to 115 Federals. Ready?
Ready. 140. Ready.
140 at shooter's ear.
141. Ready. 141. Ready. 143. Ready. 142.
That should be 5. Let's do some subs. Again, I have to single load the subs. You ready?
Ready.
Subs. That sounds really good here, guys.
133. Wait a second. Ready.
That one locked that.
138. Ready. 128. Ready.
30. Hang on, let me grab this. This is a beta sample of the software, so when you guys start buying these, it'll be different yet again, and we'll get some new software again next week. But this is what we look at. Put your finger on the screen so they can see where the number is.
So the numbers are normally be down here. This picked up another noise after the last shot, so it's not showing the right number there. But
well, we got numbers, and there you go. Two cans I see asked about a lot. That's the ammo and stuff we have, so that's what I ran. And it's an awesome day out here, and I got to get back to work. Have a good day.